Welcome back to CAD 201. We are in week 9, and we're going to be working with datum features and auxiliary views. And this is going to be quite a lengthy video, so I had to bust it up into 2 different segments. You have video 1 and video 2. And we're going to be drawing this. First video, I'll show you how to draw this. Second video, I'll show you how to put it in here onto your paper. Just like this is what it looks like in your book. All right, so what I want to do is, right now, I want to just enlarge this so I can see it. I'll just click on it, and actually, I would rather save image as and have an image of it, put it on my desktop, save it, so I can have a good view of it. I'll grab it, I'll sling it over, and now I want to go to my Inventor software, and I'll grab it and I'll sling it over here too, and pull this over just a fuzz because I don't need all of that room. Pull it just a little bit and bring that over. Okay. Now, first thing I want to look at is this thing is in inches, you can see, so I want to do New in Autodesk Inventor. And I want to go to, of course, English, US, Standard, Inch, IPT, which is Inventor Part. And we'll start on this. So it takes it just a few seconds to load in and open up. And we're going to show you the easiest method to do this and to be able to use your different methods, your datums, how to use planes. It's going to be a big thing that we're going to use here. So the first thing I want to do is come up to Start New Sketch, and I like to start on my XY plane. And you can actually go to your origin and click on it. It should turn it around flat for you. And I'm just going to go ahead and make this rectangle first. I'll zoom in there. It's 3 by 2, so it's easy. So come in here, grab this one. It's 3, tab 2. Finish the sketch out, and we'll extrude this thing. 0.75. All right, easy enough. We got some fillets around the edges of it. Let's go ahead and do that, 0.25. So I'll come up here and hit my fillet tool, which is right here, fillet, and 0.25. I go ahead and I'll catch all those corners and hit enter. So I've got that in there now. And the next thing that I want to do is I want to go ahead and put these holes in here. So I go to Start 2D Sketch and click on the face of this, and I want to hit points here. So I'm going to go hit point, and I'm just going to bring my point in because I want to drill this with a hole. So I want to come in here, and actually it looks like it's right there. The other one is right there, there. And I'm just finding the center point of that, because it looks like that's about where it's located. It's not really showing me a location on this, so I'm just assuming that's what it is. So I finish the sketch. When I go into 3-dimensional mode, or feature mode, I'll do a hole, and it automatically picked up those points. Looks like a through hole because it's all the way through. It's 0.25, and it's already set to 0.25, so we're good. So hit OK on that. And now I want to put myself a. You'll notice this is on an angle. It's centered up between those. You know, it's just centered perfectly at a diagonal. So all I have to do on this is I got to go up here to Work Plane. Now Work Plane is really it's really neat. There's a lot of things you can do. Midpoint between planes. You can click on 2 sides of it, and you can find the center point of the plane. And then you can just, click on that and you can make yourself a new sketch. So that's basically what we're going to do. There's different ones in here that you can do. Angle about around an edge, you click on it, click the surface, and if you click that point right there, you can set it at an angle, you see? So it's very, very helpful to be able to use these tools. So I want to delete that one. So this one, what I want to do first is I want to put myself an axis in it. And right here's axis, click the center, and you'll notice, well, I didn't catch that one. Catch it again here. And you notice how I put axes in there? Well, the reason I did that was because, and that one went a little bit longer than the other one, that's fine. The reason I did that, I can go up here now to plane, and just click on plane. And I can click that axis and that axis. And do you all see how it put me a perfect diagonal plane? So I can click on the plane, right click, I can hit new sketch like that, or I can just come up here and hit start sketch. And now you'll notice my sketch is right on that plane. So again, if I want to look at that plane, all I have to do, because it's at an angle, hit your lookout button here and hit that plane, and it'll turn it smooth. If you hit